In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change date and time language format on taskbar in Windows 10 or 11 computer. In my Windows computer, the taskbar date and time is showing in Bengali. Click on the date and time. The date and time language format is Bengali. Now I'm going to change it back to English. Go to search. In search, type control panel. Click on control panel. Select the view by type category. Then click on clock and region. Click on region. In region, click on format tab, and under format, here the language Bengali Bangladesh is selected. Click on the drop down menu here and then scroll down. Select English United States, then click on apply and then click on OK. Close control panel, and the date and time language format has been changed back to English. That's it. This is the easiest way to change date, time, language format back to English on Windows 10 and 11 computers.